any steering on it, so I had to push it back like that with no damage. Oh, got the Jeep pushed up into position, and I thought I had this ready to go, but I don't. I watched some videos last night and looked at the manual, the Jeep manual, and this is not supposed to be flush. It's supposed to be set in 1/8 of an inch on each end to allow this seal. So that's no problem. I want to just take the nut off of it here. I keep moving. Well, I dropped the nut. Anyway, there's a nut, seal, washer. Pull it out. Just kind of leave all of that standing by. Pick up the nut that I dropped. And we're going, since it's just got to be inset a little bit, I'm going to take this right there and just push it in 1/8 of an inch. Alright, I got that nut right there on the steering bell crank, I think is what they call it. Tighten that one up and the cross bolt up underneath here. I got the steering rod, I think they call that. It goes up to the gearbox. Greased it. Got a new cotter pin in it. So, and when I did all of that, I didn't have any clearance right here between this this crankshaft operated pulley that operates this winch. There was, I couldn't turn all the way to the right because this nut on this connecting rod here was hitting the chain. So I moved that up, this pillow block bearing, I guess you call it. I moved it up and got that taken care of. Got me a little clearance there. So now I just have to put the radiator back in it. There's one. There's two. And there you have it. Well, there you have it, all back together. I've looked under there, there's no leaks. Put antifreeze in it. It's a go for a test drive. I don't anticipate any problem. Thanks for watching. If you can, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Thank you.